हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे बिजनेस नेचर, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड बिजनेस एज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी। अगर आपको नहीं पता इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी क्या होती है, देन डू सी द प्रीवियस वीडियो। ओके, तो व्हाट इज बिजनेस? बिजनेस इज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी which is derived from the word busy, which means the people are engaged in doing some activities, busy in doing some activities to earn money or income. Its main motive is to earn profit. Profit कमाना बिजनेस का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है। मेनली 3 टाइप्स की एक्टिविटीज़ इन्वॉल्व होती हैं: प्रोडक्शन, बाइंग, सेलिंग, जिसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रॉफिट होता है। ओके, so business is an activity deal with the buying and selling of goods and services for mutual gain or profit. ऐसी एक्टिविटी जिसका मेन मोटिव प्रॉफिट होता है थ्रू बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड। You can see also an example. A man purchased a good for 20,000, sold it for 30,000. प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? 10,000 का। कोई भी सामान जिसे खरीदे हम लोग कम में, बेचें ज़्यादा में और उससे प्रॉफिट कमाएं, उसे बिजनेस कहा जाता है। That's why it is called as an economic activity or commercial activity because it involves monetary benefits. Now coming to nature of business. 3 types के nature होते हैं business के. First of all, production. Production means सारे हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैसे होगी, किस टाइप से प्रोडक्शन होगा, कस्टमर का क्या टेस्ट है, वो सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर ध्यान में रखा जाता है। करंटली कस्टमर की क्या डिमांड है, किस टाइप से हमें प्रोडक्ट को डिज़ाइन करना है। मार्केटिंग इंक्लूड्स एडवर्टाइजमेंट, मींस किस टाइप से हमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट करवाना है जिससे कि हमने जो प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर के लिए बनाया है वो कस्टमर तक पहुंच जाए। डील विद हाउ गुड्स और सर्विसेज आर एक्सचेंज बिटवीन प्रोड्यूसर और कस्टमर्स, ऐसे चैनल्स ढूंढना जिससे हमारे प्रोडक्ट को जो है वो हम अच्छे से कस्टमर तक पहुँचा सकें। फाइनेंस डील विद ऑल द मनी मैटर्स रिलेटिंग टू रनिंग ए बिजनेस, प्रोडक्ट को तैयार करने में कितना फाइनेंस जाएगा, कितना मनी का इंक्लूड होगा, वो सारा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में आ जाता है। सो 3 टाइप्स के नेचर होते हैं बिजनेस के: प्रोडक्शन होता है, मार्केटिंग होता है, फाइनेंस होता है। इन मॉडर्न टाइम्स व्हाट डज बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज इंक्लूड्स? फर्स्ट इज क्रिएटिंग कस्टमर फॉर इटसेल्फ, सो मेकिंग ए प्रोडक्ट like that so that customers should like that and they should prefer that product. Converting economic resources into goods and services keeping in mind the preferences of customers, means using less economic resources and producing that product which should like by the customer के preferences को ध्यान में रख के कम से कम economic resource का यूज़ करना, because economic resources are limited and in that only we have to keep in mind the preferences of customer also and have to make the product according to their demand or according to their need. Innovation of new product, technically upgradation of production process, means न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करना, अपग्रेड करना so that customer should like that product. टेक्निकली अपग्रेड करना प्रोडक्ट को so that the product should survive in the market and it should be better than their competitors and customer should also like that product. Now next is marketing or advertising of product so that it can reach to the customers, using that advertising in such a way that it should reach to the customers fast and in a better way, not using that techniques which others are using but a different technique so that their customers should like their product. They should know about each and everything about that product and should get an idea about that product. Are the 4 activities which are involved in starting a modern business. Now characteristics of a business. Characteristics means एक business की क्या खूबियाँ होनी चाहिए. First of all, it is an economic activity. Economic activity in the sense it is used, business is done to earn profit. Production of goods and services, mainly the main motive of business is to do the production of goods and services. Sales or exchange of goods and services for the customer satisfaction. कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए सेल्स करना और गुड्स को अगर लोगों को पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो उस गुड को उस तरीके से डिज़ाइन करना so that customer should like that product. Profit earning is the main objective of doing a business. That's why it is called as an economic activity. Dealing with goods and services on regular basis पे goods का production करना है and then selling it to customers so that to earn profit. This is called as one of the most important characteristics of business. Now last is uncertainty of risk or return. Uncertainty of risk or return means as we get profit as a reward, so there is a uncertainty of risk also. If we get profit from the business, then we can also get loss from the business. There is no assurity that all the time we will get profit only. So business में is a risk. हम लोग एक रिस्क लेते हैं. अगर बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, then we are taking a risk कि वहाँ पे प्रॉफिट भी होना है, लॉस भी होना है. These are some of the characteristics of business which we should keep in mind while starting a new business. Now moving ahead, next is business as an economic activity has three motives. First is profit motive. Second is creation of utilities, then exchange of goods and services. Profit motive means we should make a product in such a way that it should liked by the customer, it should be the first preference of the customers, and customers should buy that product, so that we should earn profit. Creation of utility, form utility means we should make a product in such a way that it should be liked by the customers, because resources are limited, and we should make the product in such a way that it should cover each and every preference of the customer. Time utility means when the time the product is needed, then it should not be less, it should be according to the time, so that there should be not less supply when the product is demanded. Place utility, product is produced at one places, but their demand is done in different places, so better transport facility should be good, so that the product should reach each and every place and should cover the demand of a product. Now exchange of goods and services, the main motive of business is exchange the goods and services and earn money from that product. Means customer should like that product, they should take that product, and in return company should earn profit. So these are the three basic economic activities of a business for which the business has been started. First is profit motive, to generate profit. Creation of utilities, to provide the product whenever it is needed. Exchange of goods and services, to earn money or to earn profit. Moving to next is a short recap what we have studied about business. It is an economic activity. Production or purchase of goods and services are done. Selling of goods and services, continuity in dealing, profit earning, element of risk, uncertain return, legal and lawful, and the last and the most important is customer satisfaction. So these are the some of the basic economic points which we should keep in mind while starting a business. Okay, so now hope that you have understood, and do watch the previous videos to clear the doubt of economic and non-economic activity.